Mr. Duterte said the order for martial law could come as early as next week. He addressed the nation after authorities reported a surge in cars on the capital's roads this week, despite the sweeping lockdown in the island of Luzon.
Biyaya pagkapaloob ng napakaraming grasya ng Pong Jesus Nazareno, maging gabay upang pagsunod ng kalooban ng Panginoon sa araw-araw na buhay.
Kinuha niyang termos! Pinokpok ng termos! Ating naka-blue! Gustong bumawi!
Police say they have warned or arrested 120,000 violators in the last month, and those who continue to do so may not qualify for aid.